Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we will show you almost 100 designs of ceilings that can enhance the design of your home and make it decorated. Now, it is the question, what is ceiling? A ceiling is an overhead interior surface that covers the upper limits of a floor, room. It is not generally considered a structural element but a finished surface concealing the underside of the roof, structure or the floor of a story above. Ceilings can be decorated to taste, and there are many fun examples of free costs and artwork on ceilings, especially in religious buildings. A ceiling can also be the upper limit of a tunnel. The most common type of ceiling is the dropped ceiling, which is suspended from the structural elements above. Panels of drywall and fastened either directly to the ceiling joints or to a few layers of moisture-proof plywood, which are then attached to the joists. Pipework or ducts can be run in the gap above the ceilings at insulations, and fireproofing material can be placed here. Alternatively, ceilings can be sprayed, painted instead, leaving the pipework and ducts exposed by painted and using spray foam. A subset of the dropped ceiling is the suspended ceilings, wherein a network of aluminium struts as opposed to drywall are attached to the joists, forming a series of rectangular spaces. Individual pieces of cupboards are then placed inside the bottom of these spaces so that the outer side of the cupboard, interspersed with aluminium rails, is seen as the ceiling from below. This makes it relatively easy to repair the pipes and insulation behind the ceiling, since all that is necessary is to lift off the cupboard rather than digging through the drywall and then placing it. Other types of ceilings include the cathedral ceiling, the concave or barrel-shaped ceiling, the stretched ceiling, and the coffered ceiling. Covering often links the ceiling to the surrounded walls. Ceilings can play a part in reducing the fire hazard, and a system is available for rating the fire resistance of dropped ceilings. Ceilings are classified according to their appearance or construction. A cathedral ceiling is any tall ceiling area similar to those in a church. A drop ceiling is one in which the finished surface is constructed anywhere from a few inches or centimeters to several feet or a few meters below the structure above it. This may be done for aesthetic purposes such as achieving a desirable ceiling height, or practical purposes such as acoustic damping or providing a space for HVAC or piping. An inverse of this would be raised floor. A concave or barrel-shaped ceiling is carved or rounded upward, usually for visual or acoustical value, while a coffered ceiling is divided into a grid of recessed square or octagonal panels, also called a lacunar ceiling. A curved ceiling uses a curved plaster transition between wall and ceiling. It is renamed for curve modeling, a modeling with a concave curve. A stretched ceiling or stretch ceiling uses a number of individual panels using materials such as PVC fixed to perimeter rail. The perfect ceiling designs varies for each room and each home and depending on the available space, the surrounding walls, and the overall theme of the house. There are infinite patterns and colors to choose from tray ceiling to beam ceiling, curved ceiling to the highly popular drop ceiling. These beautiful ceilings inspirations and ceilings ideas give a room that exclusive and exceptional feel you are after. When most of us think about a ceiling for our homes, the thing that comes to our mind is that white and flat. Not many think of incorporating a unique ceiling designs to their bedroom or living area. Ceiling designs are usually the last thing we think of when decorating our homes, but it can give a room a unique character that no amount of art or furniture can do. The best part about a great ceiling design that draws the eyes is that you don't have to completely remodel your house to achieve your desired look. There are great money-savvy ways such as buying sticks on coffered ceiling tiles that can be painted any color, or even these simple DIY crown modeling trim. Or if you are looking for something more elaborate, you can even try gold design encrusted tiles in a 12-pack or the decorative regal ceiling trim. Finally, if you are ready to take the plunge, you can just hire a contractor and redo the entire ceiling. The sky is the limit. Hope you will choose a design for your living living room or your bedroom from this video. And if you really like this video, then like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.